Hi, I'm Eirini Sanoudaki. I'm Senior Lecturer in Language Acquisition at the Linguistics Department of Bangor University. Doing siarad Cymraeg, I speak Welsh, and I will share with you briefly some of my experiences in my Welsh learning journey, which has been absolutely amazing. So I learned Welsh because that was the natural thing to do. I learned English in order to move to England from Crete, where I originally come from, and then when I came to Wales, Welsh was the language to learn. I also have a professional interest in languages. As a linguist, I work at the linguistics department. We research the Welsh language and bilingualism. We're a bilingual department, and everybody has been very, very supportive of my efforts. Thank you. I learned Welsh slowly. As a lecturer and as a mom, I don't have much time. So I only had 1 hour a week of lunchtime classes at the university with the Welsh tutor for staff, Jenny Pye, who is a brilliant tutor, and I really enjoyed the classes. If you would like to learn Welsh, I would say to you one thing: enjoy. What do you like doing? Start doing it in Welsh. If you like singing, there are Welsh language choirs. I sing with one. Listen to Welsh songs, talk to people, make mistakes, play board games, just play and enjoy. And do take opportunities if you can. Go to a residential course in Anguthern. The Bangor Summer School is excellent. Canolfan Bedwyr offers courses. There are a lot of resources available. We're really lucky in that respect. And you also need to be patient because learning a language does take time. So by now, I use Welsh every day to work. I teach bilingually, I communicate with the students, the colleagues, postgraduate researchers in Welsh and in English. And of course, I also do research in the field. I study language development in Welsh English bilingual children, those with typical development and those with developmental disabilities. I'm leading the first research on Welsh English bilingualism in children with Down syndrome and autism, and we're also looking at those with Rett syndrome now with my postgraduate researchers. So learning Welsh has transformed my life. Bilingualism research is what brought me to Bangor in the first place. So learning Welsh has facilitated that for me and helped my passion and career. But the Welsh language has also given me a lot of joy, a sense of belonging in my community, the culture or the new friends I made. So I highly recommend learning Welsh. It's great.